Appearing on the latest episode of Loose Women, she candidly opened up to panelists Ruth Langsford, Jane Moore, Janet Street Porter, and Katie Piper about her family's privacy. Ruth asked the singer why she's decided to keep information on her baby private, with Alexandra admitting that she's not told people the reason why before. She said, "Obviously I come from X Factor and that's a public show. I'm very grateful for the platform that's made me who I am today. But in the process, I hate getting emotional talking about this, but in the process of me being who I am I asked for all this but my family never." The star started to get visibly upset as she had to take a small moment to compose herself as she apologized for getting emotional. Loose Women stars Katie and Janet comforted Alexandra by rubbing her arms as Ruth told her she didn't have to talk about the situation if she didn't want. Speaking about her being thrown into the media at 20 years old, Janet said, "You couldn't have known the impact." Carrying on, she added, "The impact on them is hard. They never asked for it, I asked for it. I want to protect the baby as much as I can and let the baby make its own decision." Hearing Alexandra open up on her reasoning for why she's not wanting to put her newborn into the spotlight earned her a huge round of applause from the live audience. The West End star commented that she didn't want to get emotional and cry about the topic as she was happy at the moment. Alexandra added, "Even when I spoke to my friends about it, I was like, I don't want to hurt anyone in the process of who I am and the life that I've chosen, so I'm protecting." Ruth then interjected, adding that her child will be able to decide for themselves on whether or not they want to be in the public eye, which the singer agreed. Alexandra then added she thinks that her mother, who passed away in 2017, believes it would be the right decision to make.